So now you've damped the edges of your pastry with water, and so now you need to fold up your samosa. So take the one edge in and fold it over your filling and just press it down at the ends to seal it, and then take the other side over, making sure you seal it down at the edge, and then pinch together the gap at the top. And you're going to do this with all of your pastry, and then you'll be ready to cook them. So put some oil in a frying pan. So we're going to shallow fry these, but it does cover the whole bottom of the frying pan with oil. Just turn your cooker onto number 7 just to heat up the oil, and once you see some little bubbles appear, then you're ready to start frying. So carefully put your samosas in the pan of oil, seal side down, and then they'll start to sizzle. At this point you probably want to turn your pan down to number 5. You don't want them to cook too quickly, and then just fry them for a couple of minutes on each side. Once the samosas are golden on one side, turn them over and cook for a few more minutes on the other side, and then carefully take them out of the pan and drain them on some kitchen paper just to absorb the excess oil.